What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy here. Today, we're turning leftover sponge cake into 5 incredible desserts. Cake pops, trifles, parfaits, bread pudding, and milkshakes. Gather your friends and family, and let's make some delicious treats together. It's going to be a blast. For this incredibly delicious cake shake, you'll need about 2 cups of crumbled sponge cake, which can be from any leftover cake you have. Add the crumbled cake to a blender. Pour in 2 cups of milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream for extra creaminess. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Pour the shake into a tall glass, top it with whipped cream and some cake crumbs for garnish. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated cake shake ready to impress. Delicious, easy cake shake, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy it at parties as a gift or just as a sweet treat for yourself. On to our next creation, the trifle. You'll need 2 cups of diced sponge cake, 1 cup of pudding, and 1 cup of whipped cream. Layer the diced sponge cake at the bottom of your trifle dish. Spread a layer of pudding, followed by a layer of whipped cream. Repeat the layers, ending with a generous dollop of whipped cream. Refrigerate for at least an hour to let the flavors meld together and then dig in. Next up, we're making cake parfaits. You'll need a cup of crumbled sponge cake, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and some fresh fruit. Layer the crumbled sponge cake at the bottom of your glass or jar. Add a layer of yogurt, followed by a layer of fruit. Repeat until you reach the top. And that's it! A super easy, super delicious cake parfait perfect for any time of day. For this next recipe, we're making cake bread pudding. This delightful dessert combines the best of both worlds, giving you the moist, rich texture of bread pudding with the light, airy feel of cake. You'll need 3 cups of cubed sponge cake, 2 cups of milk, and make sure the cake is slightly stale for the best texture. Half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, preferably at room temperature to mix better, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract to add that wonderful aroma and flavor. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your pudding bakes evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown top. Whisk together the milk, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract until well combined. This mixture will be the custard base for your pudding. Add the cubed sponge cake and let it soak for 30 minutes. This allows the cake to absorb the custard, making it moist and flavorful. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish and bake for 45 to 60 minutes until set and golden brown. The baking time may vary, so keep an eye on it. Serve warm with a scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of custard for the ultimate comfort food experience. This dessert is perfect for any occasion, from family gatherings to cozy nights in. Last but not least, we're making cake pops. You'll need a cup of crumbled sponge cake, half a cup of frosting, mix the cake and frosting together, then roll into small balls. Insert sticks into the cake balls, then dip them in melted chocolate. Decorate with sprinkles or toppings of your choice and let them set. Once set, your cake pops are ready to enjoy. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible desserts from leftover sponge cake ready to enjoy. Get creative, experiment with different flavors and textures, and put your own spin on things to make them unique. If you try any of these recipes at home, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.